Metamask Wallet App Review. Metamask is a non-custodial Ethereum-based wallet that allows users to store, send, receive, and swap ETH and ERC20 tokens. It also supports NFTs and DeFi apps via a built-in dApp browser. As for the installation and setup, download the app. You can get Metamask from the official website, metamask.io, or your App Store, Google Play App Store. Then create a wallet. First open the app, tap Create a Wallet, and set a strong password. Next is secure your recovery phrase. Write down the 12-word seed phrase and store it safely. Don't share it with anyone. And then confirm and complete setup. Verify your seed phrase, and your wallet is ready to use. And you can now receive, send, and store cryptocurrencies or connect to decentralized apps, dApps. As for the top 3 key features, number 1 is secure crypto storage, means it safely stores, sends, and receives Ethereum-based tokens. Next is a dApp and Web3 integration. It easily connects to DeFi, NFTs, and blockchain apps. And lastly is multi-network support, means it works with Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, and more. As for the pros and cons in the performance and usability. Going on our pros is a smooth performance, generally fast and responsive, but transaction speed depends on blockchain congestion. As user-friendly interface, means a clean design, easy navigation, and simple setup process. And lastly is dApp compatibility, meaning it works seamlessly with Web3 apps, but some integrations may require manual network switching. But as for the downside or the cons, it has occasional bugs, which users sometimes report issues like failed transactions or app crashes. And a high gas fees, meaning your Ethereum network fees can be expensive, affecting usability. As for our comparisons, if we compare it to Trust Wallet, the Metamask is better for Ethereum-based apps, while Trust Wallet supports more blockchains natively. And if we compare it to Coinbase Wallet, Metamask is more decentralized but lacks direct fiat withdrawals. And lastly for Rabi Wallet, the Rabi offers better multi-chain support, but Metamask is more widely adopted. But overall, Metamask is a top choice for Ethereum and Web3 users, offering security, dApp integration, and multi-network support. However, high gas fees and occasional bugs can be drawbacks. Ideal for crypto enthusiasts but may not be the best for beginners seeking lower fees and broader blockchain support. So once again, I hope this been helpful to you by any chance. Please like and subscribe. Also comment your opinion and experience about it. But that was it then. See you again in the next video.